Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. We're doing another crazy nighttime pouring edition. This one is just we're going to do a quick re-pour on something. I had some paint left after we did some really cool epic big thing, and I want to use the paint. I don't want to let it dry up. So this has been covered with my drips from that last pour, and we're going to layer a cup, and I'll tell you my colors as we go. So my first color is Golden's Prussian Blue. And to this I have added a little bit of Sargents Pearlescent Medium. And just to give it some sparkle, this is Golden's Turquoise. And this is my 24 karat gold from DecoArt. Americana Decor Metallics. This one is Pebeo Studios Blue Green from their DYNA line. And this one is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in white. We're going to go back to the Prussian Blue again. And the turquoise. I'm going to put more white in there. Some gold. The blue green. That's a 24 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas, so we need about 21 ounces of paint. This cup holds 16, so I think we'll be okay because there's a pretty full flow extent or base coat on there already. But we'll see. We'll put some more white in first. And gold. Go back to the turquoise again. A little bit of white. And a nice layer of Prussian Blue. Okay. Alright, let's pour this. Okay, I just want to do a straight pour. Are you ready, darling? We're going to go right here in the middle. Alright, here we go. That's pretty cool. Alright, so let's torch this real fast and then we're going to tilt it. I'm not going to torch the base coat. I'm just going to torch the pour. Yeah, I'm not sure I like the center on that. I'm going to take my stick and just kind of work the center a little bit. Okay, that's good. Alright, ready? And come back to the center. Walking it down kind of side to side. Go off that corner. Bring it back to the middle again. I really like what's happening on the outside. I'm not sure if I like the center part right there. But we only had 16 ounces of paint, and technically for this size canvas you need 21. We'll see if we can't get that to cover the side. Yeah, see, I don't like that the center looks more sharp and in focus than the outer. I love the outside part that's sort of diffused like that. I think I'm going to pour another cup and do it again just to cover up that center part. Okay. Gonna be pretty fast though. Okay, Prussian blue again. Tiny bit of white. Turquoise. Whoop. Let's go in with some gold. Just a little bit of the blue-green. More white. Back to the Prussian blue. Actually, let's put some of this in between those two. So this time when I pour it, I'm going to do a straight pour again, but I'm going to catch it in the center before it gets to do that weird muddy thing. So, okay. Alright, that's good. Are you ready? Right here, in the middle. I'm going to pour it kind of from up high. Here we go. Stay up high, and I'm not going to let it do too much of that. Actually, I'm going to take my finger and sort of swirl through that. Okay, that's good. Now. Air bubbles. Yeah, we're gonna stop there. I like that. I think it's really pretty. I like how it's softer. I like how it's diffuse in some areas. I like how we still have a nice solid bit of the Prussian blue at that top, and we have a nice line over here. That's really cool. I'm gonna wipe my hands and we're gonna torch it one more time. I have paint everywhere. Okay. Alright, that's pretty cool. I kind of love it. The center I'm not completely crazy about, but I think there's going to be a lot more cells coming up in a few minutes. And I think it's going to look pretty different soon. So this is pretty neat though. I love these colors, and I love that softer sort of diffuse areas around the center are really, really pretty. And that's from pouring it from up high. So very cool. Cool stuff. I will show you guys this one when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. I'll see you soon. Okay, so this is a few days later, and it's totally dry now. This was the straight pour that we did with the paint left over from my Wild Fling. That was fun. That was really fun. Thank you guys so much for your comments on there. You guys are so sweet. It was really very freeing to just sort of let the paint fly and see what happens. It was really cool. But so this is the straight pour, and I gotta tell you, I just love straight pour so much. I mean, this beautiful section here where it's soft, a little bit cloudy, diffuse, and just beautiful layers of color, just so pretty. Some beautiful lines there, a few cells popping up, and over here you see that blue, the Prussian blue with the sparkle in it. Very cool stuff. Really beautiful. Straight pours are just, they're magic. They really are. This was really cool. So this was the Prussian blue and the turquoise from Golden's, and those both had that pearlescent medium mixed in with them. And the Pebeo Studios blue-green, and some white and some gold. Really cool. Very cool stuff. This one's just very peaceful to me. Very serene. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all stay happy and healthy and have a beautiful, beautiful day. Take care. I'll see you for the next one. Bye-bye. What do you think, Zen? You approve? Actually, I did want to show you guys from this angle in the shade, because I see all these metallics blinging now that you couldn't see before blinging. Thank you, Zen. See you later. Anyway, cool stuff. You see that shimmer on the turquoise? So cool. On the iridescent blue-green over there. That's awesome.